Welcome to my French tip nail art tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning and elegant nail design using classic brown and white, black, white and rose color polish with a delicate hint of rose. Whether you are a nail art beginner or a seasoned pro, this tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of sophistication or to their nails. Follow along for step-by-step instruction and nail care tips to achieve the chic and timeless French tip design. You see this design rose color and added a star pink color, and you see this design how much beautiful looks create amazing. Begin by ensuring your nails are clean and free from any old polish. Use a gentle nail file to shape your nails to your desired length and shape. Apply a clear base coat to protect your nails and ensure your nail lasts longer. Dip a fine brush into white nail polish and create the French tip on each nail. Take your time to make them neat and even. Now add black polish accent to your French tips. You can use a striper brush or a nail art pen for precision. Get creative with your design. And you add a white color. Seal your design with a clear top coat for added shine and protection. This will make your manicure last longer. And there you have it, a stunning French tip nail design that combines the classic elegance of white and black. This design is perfect for any occasion and it's surprisingly easy to achieve. Don't forget to subscribe for more nail art. Don't forget to subscribe for more nail art tutorial and beauty tips. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us thumb up and share it with your friend. Feel free to leave any question or suggestion in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial.